What do you mean, where are we going, honey? We're going rock hounding. Let me show y'all what this country sunset shit's all about. It's beautiful. There's a cop. Absolutely beautiful. What are these things? These might be psilocybin mushrooms. Yeah, I know. They're really cool, whatever they are.
I want the weed.
Climb it. Just got back from a new biddy spot. Check out these dank hogs right here, boy.
Synonym for biddy.
Charcoal, my dear. How cool is that? See, and then I find this kind of shit. And I just want to believe that I'm holding an artifact, you know? Like, kind of has that bird look. I could say this is rock art, but that would be irresponsible of me, and it would be doing a disservice to all of you. So I will just say, well, I will say it's rock art, but I won't say it's an artifact. You know what I mean? Jelly bean. Ain't it something like what gets our attention? What draws us to these things? I love them. Sweet Run. What do y'all think of that? Now that is cool. I don't care who you are. I don't care what you believe in. That's too cool for school, man. Badass tonight. What's up with you? Why aren't you doing your job, man? I had a nightmare last night, bro. You know, you're gonna have to come in for a quarterly review on your performance. Because, yeah, you should have caught that one for me, homie. Jolly green bullshit. Yep, that's jolly green bullshit. That bitch is bright. That bitch is bright. That bitch is bright. Check him out. Big old dirty piece of quartz. Real pretty. Where's that clear him? We definitely like him. This stuff almost looks fake. Shit looks fake. God, this is the best view ever. Cameo performance. I'm obsessed with this right here. Very much approve of this message here. Look at this. It's one hell of a message this rock's sending. Shrouded in effing mystery. It looks like a spider squid.
Spider squid?
Nicole from Wisconsin claimed this thing. And all the green biddies. So she's getting them. This is just such a cool little bonus discovery. I can't wait. If you're ever wondering why trees and root systems are the best place to look for artifacts, or amongst one of the best, look at this place. Is just something else, man. Absolutely gorgeous. The Sacred Hollow, Sleepy Hollows tree. Stop your bullshit. This tiny little guy is also one of my favorites. Look, it looks like lava. So cool looking. Oh, yeah, you're cute. Pile of cocaine. If you ride around with chickens in your truck. Yay. Here we are, the Susquehanna River. Looking out on the same site that a lot of our ancestors looked out on thousands of years ago. Maybe up from a different elevation. Look at this asteroid that I found. Wild looking, dude. Look at this thing. Who the f knows? What? You saw what? A squirrel? Eat him. I really like these guys. Check them joints out, yo. How about you? Oh, you glow too. Welcome to the club, son. Welcome to the club. Welcome to the club. No, you're out of the club, bud. Oh my God, dude. Look how bright that fucking thing is. You're in the club? You in the club? You're in the club? You're definitely in the damn club, yo. You're so bright I can't even pick it up on camera. God fucking darn it. Come down here drinking the white man's water, dude. I know someone out there gets it.
Bust them biddies, motherfucker.
Epic. Unbelievably epic here. Conowingo Dam, right there. And this is the landscape. You can see why Native Americans will want to live here.